PYX 106. Quinn and Cantera.
It's 1-800-LAW-1010, 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Paul Harding from Martin Harding Mazzotti on the horn.
What are you dressing as, Paul?
It's still up in the air. We do not have a final decision on a costume for tonight.
Oh, man.
So, when you go trick-or-treating with the kids, do you dress up or you just go as you?
No, I'm just going to dress warm. I'm going to dress warm and stay dry. Yeah, that's going to be my...
What's that Trump lawyer with the bow tie? What's his name again, Cantera?
Is that the one with the mustache,
yeah,
Ty Cobb?
Yeah, you should go as Ty Cobb this year.
Great.
It is, something to think about.
Yeah.
So, Paul, there was a lot of lawyering yesterday. What are your impressions of all the lawyering and everyone on TV who was a lawyer? What do you make of what happened yesterday?
Yeah, I think I was the only lawyer not on TV yesterday. There was, of course, you've got this, long-awaited indictment coming down from Mr. Mueller. And really what it boils down to is we got these two guys who are now charged with conspiracy against the United States and money laundering. And it really has this real strong feel to it. But it really boils down to these two guys have been operating as sort of a lobby group without registering. They got paid for it, and they've been keeping this money offshore, really. That's what we kind of have right in front of us right now. The question is, where does it lead? Does it continue leading up the trail?
What about Papadopoulos? That seems to be the focal point for a lot of these folks yesterday, this Papadopoulos guy.
That's the one guy you can link to Russia where you can't link the other guys.
Yeah. You can, and, he did the thing that you don't do. When the federal government comes and asks you some questions, you either tell the truth or you don't have to talk to them at that moment at all, right? So he said, no, this didn't happen, and they proved that some of the things did, so he did plead. And that was a question directly linked to the Russian probe.
Right.
So here's a simple question, and I don't know where it stands, but they were talking about monitors for Manafort and Gates. What's the difference between house arrest and wearing an ankle bracelet?
Right. So when you are house arrested, you're just literally are confined to your home. I mean, everything's happening with there. The ankle bracelet does give you some opportunity to kind of roam around, but they know where you are. So these guys have put up a large amount of money, someone did, to get them out, and they're going to be confined to their home.
$10 million for Manafort, and Gates put up $5 million, or whatever percentage he's supposed to put up.
Where you can go to church with your ankle bracelet. Where else? Can you go shopping, grocery shopping?
Yeah, there's certain. It'll be different for certain people. Depending on what the charges are, they can kind of outline where you can go and where you can't go. In this case, these guys are going to be kind of sitting home and watching this unfold on CNN and Fox.
Paul, explain, if you can in layman's terms, how this is the beginning of the beginning or the end of the beginning and the beginning of the end.
This is not the end of it, and he has already kind of told us that kind of stand by and wait for the next round of information and ultimately indictments.
We appreciate the insight, Paul.
What are you giving out at the Paul Harding house?
Golden
Snickers?
We actually give out those big candy bars. So we get so few trick-or-treaters that those who do show up, you get richly rewarded.
It's that 6-mile front driveway of yours that they got to walk down.
Not that. Just remote. No gates.
Shrubs.
We're in the middle of nowhere, that's all.
Our buddy Paul Harding from Martin Harding Mazzotti, 1-800-LAW-1010, 1-800-LAW-1010.com. Thanks, Paul.
Thank you.
Quinn and Cantera. Mornings on PYX 106.